My grandfather invented the first true planing hull in the 20s, and he called it the Quadraconic hull. That's a variation of the hull that Huckins uses today. And the reason for that is because it's a very efficient hull, it's fast, and we keep it light. It's extremely stable. It's built with concave sections, which is different from other hulls today, which are generally a deep dead rise. These sections make the hull very stable when it's sitting still and when it is up and running. All of our boats come up and run at between 3 and 3.5 degrees without trim tabs. And this is because they're designed properly in the first place. All the liquid weights are built over the CG, and all the weights are designed to make the boat so it does run at 3 degrees. I have logged thousands of miles on our boats. I have made the Great Loop in one of our 44s. I've seen weather that no one wants to see, and our boats have taken it tremendously.
Most of our owners come to Huckins with a general idea of what they want. And most of them are very experienced boaters on a myriad of other brands. Are you mechanically savvy? Will there be crew members? You know, we can build a custom yacht to suit your lifestyle. Once a metal image is determined, then sketches begin. A hand-drawn profile and arrangement plan is produced. Then the hand drawings are put to CAD for the final build specs. We all work as a team. It's an exciting and exhilarating process. Once I have all of the basics for how you want the boat laid out and the profile is going to generally look like and everything, and then I just take this and I turn it over to Robert, and he'll convert all my hand drawing lines to a CAD and put it on a program, and then from there the boat will start to develop.
So that transition will then, like John explained, will go into CAD format, at which point ULLBERG Yacht Design will start the engineering side of the process. And by that we mean we'll start with naval architecture, we'll start with laminate design, we'll start with weights and balances, make sure all of that works.
I am Bill Prince, and my company specializes in the design and engineering of custom powerboats. When John Hall creates drawings for a new project like the 45 Wombat, he passes them on to us and we develop the design using 3D computer software. This computer file includes the complete hull shape, superstructure, and every piece of deck hardware.
Our latest concept is the Sportsman series, whose DNA originated from a 1936 Sportsman design. This boat can be designed to fulfill several desires, like a simple day boat, short cruises, an ideal adventuresome mid-range cruiser for a fun-loving couple, or as a tender for a mega yacht.
The company started in 1928, and the fact that continuously for all those years it's been a manufacturer of boats, this in itself helps the service aspect, which we depend on and have grown, because if we know how to build boats, we know how to service boats. And what would be problems to some yards because they're not exposed to certain situations are an everyday occurrence to us in manufacturing, so we have a better insight. And we've taken this knowledge to the market and are trying to develop the idea or pass it on to customers that we work on anybody's boat. It's not limited just to Huckins because we manufacture Huckins. Our belief is that if you have a boat and you care about it, then we're here to work on it. Whether it's 13 feet long or up to 230 feet, it makes no difference. It's the fact that we think and we know that we have the technicians in the background to be able to accomplish the quality work that people are looking for.
I'm Glenn Rivers. I'm the owner of Volare, which is a 1955 52-foot Huckins offshore, and just recently brought the boat from California back to Huckins for full restoration. And you can see it going on behind me. It turned out to be beautiful. When the paint was stripped off, everyone was amazed at the quality that went into it in the beginning. And I found out early that when I bought the Huckins, I became more than just a boat owner. I became a member of a family of elite boat owners and a great group of people that do the best work in all of Florida.
Doing quality work and the understanding that we work on anybody's boat has provided us the opportunity to continue as we hope. As I've often said to the employees of Huckins Yacht Corporation, there isn't anything that we do that any of our customers have to have. So we have to provide an enjoyable, pleasant experience.
Many Huckins owners laugh and say that we're a friendly cult. And every Huckins owner gets along with every other Huckins owner. And it just seems like a very close-knit, friendly cult.